Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I know I'm back after a long time. I have not uploaded any video since July 31st, 2021. So now I'm back with the new series of Swift UI. Uh, this sessions will be for everyone. Like if you are already learning the Swift UI, if you are new or anyone, you know, so they can learn on this SwiftUI sessions. And the new things we are going to build this Food Ninja application that I found on the web for the free. It's you can also download this UI kit, sorry, this mockup design from Pixel True. It's their website, so you can simply go to their website and there are few mockups that you can download for free. So this is just learning purpose. I'm not going to build the whole application, and we are not going to use, API and all because we don't have the APIs. So we will use the mockup and the local storages. But the main motive of this sessions will be mainly focus on the Swift UI. We'll keep our video short, maybe less than 10 minutes or 15 minutes maybe. Depends on the on what we are working on, so it will not make you bored. Yeah, so stay tuned on my channel and we'll learn from scratch developing this beautiful application for Ninja. We'll try different things, different elements of Swift UI. So at the end of the session you will gain more knowledge about Swift UI. You can work on the Swift UI from the scratch. Will make more custom objects like this tab bar. Will create a custom tab bar and multiple elements. We can modify them. So yeah, stay tuned on the channel. I'll upload the new video soon.